Hey everyone, boothertools here. Give me a second.
What's up, everyone? It's Lee here from boothertools, and I've got Les with me here in the back. You want to say hi, Les?
Hey!
Let's try that again. You want to say hi, Les?
Hey!
Oh, actually, he's busy helping out clients from your messages on Etsy. So
I can give you 2 seconds.
Yeah. Okay. Les does that, right? So I try to do the videos, even though Les does the videos, and I don't know what I do around here. Actually, Les does a lot of it. So this is my shop. Welcome. It's a new shop, and yeah, let's talk some photo booths. You into photo booths? I'm into photo booths. Photo booths. So as you know, me and Les have a unique brand of photo booths called Boomerang Booths. They're booths that ship through the mail, and we got a few back today, so I figured I'd unbox it with Les, kind of in this area here, and we can just gab a little bit, see if we can teach you something while we're doing this whole thing.
So you're planning a photo booth, and the budget just isn't there. Or maybe your event is too far away for realistic travel costs to make sense. You need Boomerang Booth, Canada's only photo booth by mail. Our booths are mailed to you and will arrive 2 days before your event. Plug it in and it runs itself. The first business day after your event, pop it back in the mail. Return postage is supplied. Unlike traditional booths that come and go in a few hours, Boomerang Booth stays at your event for the entire duration and will give you amazing photos that will last a lifetime. The pictures taken are digitally sent and shared with your guests using text message and email. Printing options are available. Do yourself a favor and book one of our booths for your birthday, grad, house party, fundraiser, wedding, or maybe it's just a Tuesday.
Right, so Les has it open. So this is straight from the client, so we'll see what kind of condition they left it in. It looks pretty good. So these tripods, they didn't quite fit inside the Pelican cases, so literally we took a pipe cutter and just shortened them a little bit. So that's, if you buy these mini speaker stands, just get a pipe cutter and just shorten them about this much, and they'll fit inside the Pelican case.
Yeah, these are Yorkville brand. I don't know if you can see it there.
Yeah, exactly. We get them from Long and McQuaid in Canada. You can get them from any music store, really.
And these come with, as you can see there, there's an adapter, speaker stand adapter.
Yeah, exactly. So some people call them speaker box inserts. Some people call them top hats. They have many different names. Okay, so you've got the photo booth up and on there. Do you want to pop the back open? We can just take a quick look in this.
Helps keep that laptop in place with having 2 shelves, just a bit more pushing against it.
Right.
What happens here is these shelves kind of sit freely, right? But after the back door is closed, it helps push those shelves in, and then when you touch the screen, let's twist this around really quickly, it keeps the screen in place because the back door and the shelves hold that screen in place so you can play around with it.
Right. Anyways, this photo booth has a Canon camera in it, and whenever I put a hot shoe mount on top of the Canon camera, then it goes a little wonky, and the monolight strobe doesn't work and everything starts malfunctioning. So there's 2 options that you can do. You can use a Nikon camera because it doesn't have that issue when there's a hot shoe on top, or else you can use straight flat lighting, but then you have to adjust your ISO. DSLR camera settings, and then you can see the ISO. The more you toggle that, the more lighter the picture is going to be. So let's go at 100, 200, pretty dark. 400, it's getting lighter. Anyways, let's boot up the photo booth. So I'm gonna get Les to turn it on, and we're just gonna try and snap a few photos and see how it goes.
Right corner, there is the on button, which is just where the Surface
right
Pro has the power button
Surface
there.
Pro, power on, right in there.
Yeah.
Perfect, and look at that. It's a solid state drive, which means it boots up very fast, and we have the photo booth program set so it automatically starts up. You see DSLR booth is automatically booting up. I've got a video right there that shows you how to set the Surface Pro or any computer how to automatically do this. If you just click right there.
Into this screen, this is kind of the start screen. You can simply press launch event. Everything should be preset, and boom. You can tell this is a Christmas event. It is Christmas time, December, and they can just start you just click the screen and pictures are starting to take. So there's Leader in the
Perfect.
background. Boom, we got pictures going.
We'll just let it go through its run. This booth automatically has connected to our Wi-Fi. The client would need to connect it to their Wi-Fi.
Okay, that's my phone.
All right, shoots 4 photos. Now Les is just going to text it to his own phone right now.
Here you go, you just click the button right there.
And
your
secret
phone
phone number.
Don't call me unless there's business to discuss. You
Get
can
some
see
business
here
done.
that at some point, oh, boom, it arrives here. And this one has a custom text message which you can preset. And you can see that our photos are right there. And this screen there's a little timer here. Eventually, after a few seconds, it'll just go back to the normal screen, or you can press done, or you can add another phone number, whatever you need to do. But otherwise, it just ends right there, and it's back to the main screen, and you can do this all over.
Ready for the next clients.
That's right.
The photos should automatically upload to PhotoShare. You can go there and just share the link with the clients, which I'll show you how to do shortly. Or you can actually take the photos that saved onto the photo booth and you could upload them to Google Drive so that they get a better quality version of the photos, and then you can give them specifically what you want. But I'm gonna jump up to the office computer and log into my PhotoShare account, and we're just gonna... Okay, so we're here. We've logged into PhotoShare. It's FOTOSHRE.co. And we've got the events here. So these are some of the events here. So all we need to do is find the event that it was. So let's click into it. Here is the event. And you can see, oh, we're shooting at the end of it. Anyways, so there's little settings on the side here. We just want to go download all so that when they click into it, they can download all. And then we want to click link sharing. We only click guest access if we want everyone to see every image, which we really don't. We just want anyone who shares the link to be able to see all of them and download all of them. That way, people who only send the photos to their phones will only get those photos, but then whoever gets the link will get all of them if they want. So we go over here and then we just click link, and then we can turn on link sharing. Oops, sorry. Yeah, and we grab the link, and there it is right there, and we just copy it. And now we just email that link to the client. It's as simple as that. The photo booth, as long as it's connected to Wi-Fi, automatically uploads these photos in real time. And also, the photo booth saves all the photos so that if it's not connected to Wi-Fi, it'll upload them all later. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, you know what to do. We'll see you on the next one. You know, from the outside, it's got some appeal. Okay, so you're having a wedding and it's out of town and you want a photo booth. So you've been getting photo booth quotes from all the companies. Yeah, it's so expensive to get them to travel out there, right? So what do? Well, you get a rental photo booth. I do rental photo booths. Oh yeah. I'm in Saskatoon.
Hey, what's up, ladies? Oh, you're from around these parts, eh? Yeah, I'm from Saskatchewan. That's up in Canada, eh? Oh, it's teasers.
People come and pick them up from me, and then they take them out to their location. They run them all weekend. That's fine and dandy. But you're not in Saskatoon, are you? Hopefully you're in Canada, though.
Over the border to Canada for some French fries and gravy, sir.
Poutine. Canada, huh? Almost made it.
Because we mail our photo booths all throughout Canada. So if you are getting married and you're into, you want to have a photo booth at your location, well, guess what? We'll mail one to you for $325, and you can have it all weekend, and then you just mail it back to us. It's called Boomerang Booth.